Welcome to the channel. And so far we saw about conic section curves and one of the special curve cycloid in the previous video classes. Now we see about other type special curves. Under this first the special curve involute that is to be drawn here, and the procedure to follow for involute type drawings etc. in this video class. Regarding introduction to involute, to understand clearly, first assume a string or rope as shown, that is done winding already over a square shape or a circle shape as shown in figure. Assume now the string or rope is released tightly from the square or circle without slackness in that string, then the edge point of the string will make a path if allowed as shown in figure. This curve is called involute. Now this drawing is to be drawn based on the procedures with the given data of the problem. First, let me read the problem. Draw an involute of a square of side 25 mm. Draw also a tangent and normal at a point on the curve. Now the completed problem is shown here. The solved problem is only for an idea and reference. However, now we will see the step-by-step procedure for the involute drawing. There are chances for doing the mistake in taking the radius. Think and then take the radius properly while doing the problem. But with respect to the problem, it is very simple only. Now as per step 1, draw the square. That is, first draw the square with the side 25 mm. For this, draw a horizontal line at left bottom corner, slightly above the corner, because of space required for drawing, mostly above the square. Then draw two perpendicular lines, that is at 90 degree to a height of 25 mm each, with mini drafter at both ends. Then draw a parallel closing line here to get the required square. Name the corners as shown A, B, C, D. Now as per second step, extend the sides. That is, now extend all the four sides to the approximate length as shown, with the successive lines increased in their length starting from B point. This length at any place is not sufficient. It may be extended again as required at that time in the next step. Now draw arc 8-1 is the third step using the compass. Now arcs are to be drawn on these extended lines one by one. For this, first take BA as radius, B as center, draw an arc from A and it meets CB extension line. Mark the meeting point as 1 as shown. This is the third step. Next, as per step 4, draw arc 1 to 2. For this, using the compass, take C to 1 as radius and C as center. Draw an arc from 1 and it meets the DC extension line. Mark the meeting point as 2 as shown here. Next, as per step 5, draw an arc 2 to 3. For this, similarly taking D2 as radius with the compass. Draw an arc from D center. It meets AD extension line. Mark the meeting point as 3 as shown. Next, as per step 6, draw an arc 3 to 4. That is, using the compass, take A to 3 as radius with the compass at A as center. Draw an arc from 3. It meets BA extension line. Mark the meeting point as 4 as shown here. Since all the arcs are now completed as required, ensure that the involute is drawn from A to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and is smooth in nature, without overlap in joining points and good in appearance with neatness. Now the involute is completed with this step. Next, as per step 7, draw tangent and normal. To draw tangent and normal, take any point on the curve and make it as P as shown. Now join the point P with point A. Since this selected point is between A3 and A4, if P is selected between D to 2, that is D to 3, that is D to D3, then the point is to be joined with D only, and this is also correct. Now follow the A point in this problem. Now AP may be extended and named as R dash, and this is the required normal to the involute at that point. Now draw a perpendicular line to AP through point P, and this is the required tangent to the involute at that point. It may be named as S dash as shown here. Next, as per step 8, dimension and pencil grade. Now, as usual, do not forget to see the pencil usage as HB for giving dark lines to involute, tangent and normal, etc. For square, medium thick pencil grade or dark may be used with HB pencil. Also use 2H pencil for showing till lines for the other supporting lines. Also mention the dimensions as well as words for tangent and normal, etc. By indicating in the drawing sheet as shown here. Once again, remember here, colors or pen should not be used and only pencils may be used with variation in thickness. Here colors, etc. shown only for video easy visibility and understanding. With this, problem is over, and will continue in the next video class. Thank you.